Alright everyone, today we're not talking about just anything, we're discussing Brother Joe's very latest product, the Juan Juan. However, we're not even going to discuss that today. Instead, we have a very special guest to talk about, the SugarCub Alliance. It's also known as the Overload Box, the Mohi Z. This whole thing was put together by GZI and General Manager He. They really worked on it. And the UI seems to be Mo. Is it called Mo? Yeah, Mo. It's something he made himself. It's a desktop system. Now, what I really love about this thing is that it's magnetic. It's modular. This part comes off. There's a keyboard. There's a joystick. And that, what's it called? The gamepad. It snaps on with a click. And it also includes an additional joystick. Because this particular joystick lacks an L button, there's no shoulder button on it. That shoulder button isn't finished yet, but it will be shipped out a bit later on. The shoulder buttons on this gamepad are right here, in this spot. It's small, convenient, and when you fold it, it's perfectly, tightly fitted. And I love this joystick. Its damping is really strong. Being small, it's super tight and perfectly fitted. It just clicks and fits right in there. It's a perfect fit. And then, as for my particular one, it lacks any custom patterns, just the standard black and silver, you understand? The pushrod's damping feels incredibly satisfying and smooth. I actually gave it a name myself. I called it Tui Tui. The device is great, really well made. It's all CNC machined, and the whole thing just feels incredibly comfortable and refined. You can also make calls on it, but you have to use headphones or speakerphone for that. I usually use it. I bought it to be like an MP, well, to start with. Just get a data card, pop it in. There's a card in here already, I bought one, and it's the very same thickness as Brother Joe's device. Exactly the same thickness. No discernible difference at all. However, its performance is superior, as it's a modified Flip 5, powered by an 8 Gen 2 system. Quality is great. It's a perfect fit, and I also tried out the game today, but I won't demo it for you. You'll install the game when it's sent over. Compact and wireless. I can charge it in my electric car, which is super convenient, easy to carry around. The screen protector is also custom made, and you can purchase it directly within the group chat. If you're keen, you can easily find it on Xianyu by searching for GZI or even Overload Box. Either will lead you right to it. The damping and magnetic pull are both good. On this device, the joystick doesn't light up, and the game controller also doesn't light up. At first I thought this part was an LED too, but it's not. It's just a design line. And the keyboard on this one is backlit, which is quite impressive actually. Compared to Brother Joe's device, they're actually pretty similar. Brother Joe's is just a little smaller. The thickness is the same. Am I holding it upside down? Nope, not upside down. Not upside. Actually, their screens are quite comparable, practically identical when placed side by side. Although this one possesses an extra segment, the actual screen size for displaying content remains the same. Yet, given it encompasses both an upper and lower bezel, it doesn't achieve that complete full-screen immersion. Still, despite that, right, but who cares? It's more than enough for playing GBA retro games and stuff. It can even play PS2, right? So yeah, it's plenty. For me, it's just that I love really unique and novel products. I'm into anything that's super unique. Anyone who knows me knows I own many handhelds, Windows and Android ones, and this is a DIY custom. Oh, and SugarCub Alliance is also releasing a new machine, a folding one. We'll see how that turns out. And that's pretty much it. I'm just here to show off my new toy today. This new toy, I think it's awesome. And well, what else is there to say? I'm not a professional reviewer, so I just figured this thing has its own unique charm, and I love it, and that's perfectly fine with me. Done and done. The price point for this device ranges from $16.99 to upwards of $2,000, largely because you'll invariably need to purchase various additional accessories. Won't you agree? Or you can skip the accessories like the keyboard and these two. There's also the top spec version with the joystick and shoulder buttons. That's what I got. They'll ship it later, since it's probably not ready yet. I'm not really sure. Anyway, they said they'd send it. Overall, it's pretty good. I like this machine. Wireless charging works. And for those who appreciate it, take a look. It even features this screen display. The radio lights up. Anyway, I truly believe this device is pretty decent. It definitely has its own distinct character. It's much better than those devices you buy online, where folks modify a Mohi or a Flip 5 and then stretch out a controller to clamp it onto a case. That's a lot of work. Looks much better, doesn't it? Anyway, I really think it's great. If you guys liked it, please give it a triple like. Thanks.